Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your AirDrop name on iPhone. So if you want to personalize your AirDrop name and change it to a different thing, here's how to do it. Go to your settings, click on general, now click on about, click on name. By default it is set to Elvis iPhone. You can change it to whatever you want. When you're done, you click on the check mark, and now your AirDrop name will be changed to whatever you change it to. So that's how you change your AirDrop name on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.